Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start chapter 4 simple equation. First of all, you should know what is simple equation, and before knowing equation you must know what are expressions. So let us discuss both of them. Now I have written here definition of expressions and equation. So what are expressions? Expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables. So I am giving you example of expression like this: 2x plus 3, this is an expression. 5x minus 4, this is an expression. Now come to equation. Equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. So first of all, it should be clear what are expressions. Expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables. So 2x plus 3, 5x minus 4, you can form as many as expressions as you want. Now come to equation. On the other hand, equation is a condition where two expressions are equal. So we can form using this expression only. Suppose 2x plus 3 is equals to 5. This is a equation. Next, 5x minus 4 is equal to 3. This is a equation. Now let's move on to our next topic, which is formation of equation. Now I think so it is clear what is expression and what is equation. Now let us understand how we form equations by given statements. Formation of equation. What is formation of equation? It is simply we write this given statement in our numerical form. How? See, your first part is sum of 4 and 5y is 9. You know sum means addition, and of which two terms it is? 4 and 5y. So 4 plus 5y is equal to what? 9. Now our next is, if you subtract 5 from 20x, you get 15. What you have to do? You have to subtract 5 from 20x. So 20x minus 5, what you will get? 15 equal to 15. Keep in your mind, we are forming equations, so it is compulsory that we get this equal sign in the formation. Now next, now third part is 10 times a is 50. So what does this times means? This represents multiplication. So 10 times a is 50. You can write it like this also. 10a is equals to 50. Now next is the number divided by 5 gives 6. Here you have to divide a number by 5. But we don't know what is the number. So let us suppose the number to be n divided by 5 gives us 6. So this is how we form the equations by given statements. Next things which you should know are that sometimes the questions may be like this. For subtraction, it will not be written directly like this. If you subtract 5 from 20, your question may include a word taken away. So there also you have to perform subtraction. And for multiplication, you may get another word product. And for division, they can give question in the form of fractions like half of a number is 10. So how will form the equation? Half of a number multiplied by number is equals to 10. We don't know number, so we suppose it as x. So x upon 2 is equals to 10. These are also the ways by which you can get the quotient. Now let us move on to our next topic. Our next topic is putting values. Now what is putting values? Putting values means an equation will be given to you and you have to check whether that satisfies the given equation or not. How? Let's see. Suppose you are having a question x plus 2 is equals to 10 and the value of x is given to you 2. Now you have to check whether x is equals to 2 satisfies the equation or not. Now what does this mean? That we will put the value of x on this side and we'll see whether we get the answer equal to this side or not. In an equation we have two sides as we have two hands. The hands represents the sides of the equation. As our right hand side is on this side, so this is right hand side of the given equation and this is left hand side. Now we'll check the value. In left hand side we are having x plus 2. Now in place of x we are given 2. So we'll put 2 plus 2. So what you are getting? 4. Which is not equal to 10. That is our right hand side. So x is equals to 2 is not satisfying this equation. Let us take some more examples. Now our next example is x plus 2 is equals to 10 and x is equals to 10 is given to us. That is value of x that we have to put in our question is 10. So as you know, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we will take left hand side first, which is x plus 2. So in place of x what you have given? 10. So we will put 10 plus 2. This will be equal to 12. But our right hand side is 10. So you will write left hand side is not equal to right hand side, or you can write this also, x is equals to 10 does not satisfy the given equation. Now let us take one more example. X plus 2 is equals to 10 where the value of x is 8. So you will take left hand side. Our left hand side is x plus 2 and the value of x is given to us 8. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. And the right hand side is also 10. It means the value x is equals to 8 satisfies the given equation. So we'll write left hand side is equals to right hand side. In all the three examples, I have taken the same equation, that is x plus 2 is equals to 10, but I took three different values for x. Now next is 5p is equals to 25 where the value of p is given to us minus 5. So now we'll do the same thing. First we'll take left hand side which is given to us 5p and the value of p is given minus 5. So here 5 and p are in multiplication. So 5 into minus 5. 5 5s are 25 plus minus minus. But our right hand side is given to us 25, which means left hand side and right hand side are not equal. I think now it is clear how to check whether the given value of a variable satisfies the given equation or not. Now let us move to our next topic. Now the next topic, and this only, or you can say the subtopic of this topic, putting values, is hidden trial method. Now what is hidden trial method? And this you have to find out the value which will satisfy the given equation by hit and trial method. So let us take one question. 5p plus 2 is equals to 17. Now you have to find the value of p which satisfies the given equation. So how we find? We'll take the different values for p and check which will satisfy the equation. So first of all, let us take p is equals to 0. So first we'll put p is equals to 0. So we'll take our left hand side, 5p plus 2. Now putting 0 in place of p. So 5 into, in place of p you'll put 0 plus 2. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. But on right hand side what we need? 17. So this doesn't satisfy the equation. Next we'll take p is equals to 1. So left hand side is 5p plus 2. So 5 in place of p we'll put 1 plus 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. But our right hand side is 17. This is also not satisfying our equation. Next we'll take p is equals to 2. Our left hand side is 5p plus 2 and we'll put p is equals to 2 in this. So 5 into, in place of p you'll write 2 plus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. This is also not satisfying. Next we'll check for p is equals to 3. Our left hand side is 5p plus 2. Now we'll put p is equals to 3. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So p is equals to 3 is satisfying our equation, as here we are getting LHS 17 is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. So you can write p is equals to 3 is satisfying the given equation. I think it is clear now how to form the equation by given statement and how to check the values whether they satisfy the given equation or not, and next how to find the value of the variable using hit and trial method. Now next part of this chapter we'll cover in the next video. If this video was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.